Okay, everything's A-okay. You ready to put some sweet guitar behind it? All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Oh, wow. BOOZHOO.
Well, BOOZHOO.
Welcome back to the show.
Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast with the logo that's not lined up. What's going on around here? Hello, everybody. I am googly eyes. Nah. So what's going on, sweetie? Well, BOOZHOO, honey. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha Ikadon BOOZHOO ni Winnie Mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO Gakina Awia Mino Giga Shabe. Hello, everybody, and good morning. You're just fluent in that Ojibwe language. Well, I've been watching the show for a long time. And oh, wow, look over here. Look, sweetie, it's the rock star cartoonist. Hey, Michael, what's going on? Yeah, I'm doing great. How are you, Natasha? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. Hey, Michael. Ladies and gentlemen, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Niji. Hey, everyone, welcome to the show. And Michael's got a new book, sweetie. That's right. And we're on the cover. Yeah. What did I do with that? I don't think I even titled it. Okay. Where is it, sweetie? I know you grabbed it. There's a new book available on Amazon.com called Ojibwe Words and Phrases. And, here we go. Ojibwe Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons. But look who's on the cover. Oh, they're just darling. Aren't they, though? Oh, I could just gobble us up. Ojibwe Words and Phrases is a quick, what would you call this, Michael? I'd call it a coffee table book. A coffee table book? Well, it's not. It's definitely not a dictionary. Okay, it's not a dictionary. It's just kind of like what we do here, huh? Yeah, pretty much. It's words, like, oh, here are the words for the seasons or whatever. These are the 4 directions. These are the 4 parts of the whatever. These are the words of the week. The words, just lists of different Ojibwe words, and then basic phrases like, Niman Waindam O Ma Noon Gom. Niman Waindam O Ma Noon Gom. I'm happy here today. Yep, kind of like this song. Look at you, sweetie. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO Niman Waindam O Ma Noon Gom. 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 Hey, everybody! Like that. So basic phrases and whatever. This is all available for sale on Amazon.com. Yeah, Amazon.com. And you can support the show by supporting Michael. Michael pays all the bills here, huh, sweetie? Yeah, he does. I don't remember the last time I actually paid a bill. So anyway, there's that. And, I'm thinking we should do? What's that? We got to don't go to Patreon just yet. You can definitely go to PayPal if you want to leave us some money, but I think we should redo our Patreon. If you're not familiar, Patreon is a website that we're part of where people support us every month. They just put an automatic, give them $20 every month out of my checking account. And then we, based on how much you give, we have prizes and gifts. No, I mean, we do. But I think we should start giving out those books, the new books. That's a great idea. Oh, thank you. But we haven't gotten them in the mail yet. They just came in. So in a couple of weeks, we're going to be promoting the Patreon platform. But don't bother doing it today because we have to update the prizes. Oh, wow, sweetie. What is it? John Redcorn's here. Oh, no way. Yeah. Hey, hello, Mr. Redcorn. Oh, I didn't know you were going to be here. I would have put on something. I would have dressed up. BOOZHOO, John. Okay, hey, Nietzsche. Let's give John a gold star. First in class, John Redcorn. How you doing? John supports the show in spirit. We get John's moral support. We have moral support. Wally Bear is here. BOOZHOO, Wally Bear. Give him a silver star. Silver star for Wally Bear. BOOZHOO Nietzsche. And friendship time. 416. Well, BOOZHOO, friendship time. 416. BOOZHOO, friendship time. It's time for some friendship with friendship. Nah. Yeah, time for a bronze star with friendship. Bronze star goes to friendship. That's the first time friendship's been on the board. Yeah. Friendship says, Bungan. Peace. Bungan, sweetie. Friendship's a hippie. Are you a hippie, friendship? I've definitely met hippies I didn't like. Yeah. But I never met a pot smoker I didn't like. Get out of here. They're friendly people. They're peaceful people. That's all I'm saying. Hippies are greasy and opinionated. But stoners, they're nice. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You want to take a call? A telephone call? Yeah, on line 2. Oh, sure. You think it's Shelly Ham? No, but she's here. Oh, is she really? Oh, hey there, Shelly Ham. Bonjour. Samantha says, I've met some weird hippies. Yeah, I'm sure you have. Bonjour, Samantha. Oh, yeah. Hi, Samantha. Oh, anyway, so line 2, you say, sweetie? Yep. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey, yeah, NANABOOZHOO, how you doing?
Hey, Sly. I didn't know it was going to be Sylvester Stallone, sweetie. Me either. I could have swore that was going to be Greta Thunberg. Yeah. Wow. Well, this is much cooler. How you doing, Rocky?
Hey, yo, you can call me Sly.
Oh, yeah. Sylvester, Sly. How you doing, Sly? What can I do for you today?
Hey, yeah, I was watching your show, and I'm wondering if I can, I'd like to learn the Ojibwe word of the day.
Oh, sure. Hi, Sly.
Who's that there?
It's me. It's Natasha.
Hey, yo, Natasha, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Oh, so you want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day?
Hey, yeah, how do you say Monday in Ojibwe?
Well, again, if you had Michael's new book, you know, you know what it is. You could look it up. But since you're here, Monday in Ojibwe is Ishkwa Anama E Gijagud, after prayer day.
Ishkwa Anama E Gijagud, after prayer day. Is that because it's the day after Sunday? You know, do they call it Sunday the prayer day?
Yeah, Sunday in Ojibwe is known as prayer day.
Prayer day?
No, prayer day.
That's what I said.
Yeah, okay. But we say Ishkwa Anama E means prayer, and then Gija Good means day.
Ishkwa Anama E Gija Good, after prayer day.
Yep.
Monday. Hey, yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, thank you. I'm happy to be here today. Neiman Wyndham, I'm happy.
Yeah, Neiman Wyndham, I'm happy. I'm happy because I could go toe-to-toe with Apollo Creed, and I went the distance.
Yep, exactly. Just like how you felt when you went the distance with Apollo Creed. Oma means, you know, here.
Oma, here. Yeah.
Yep. And then Noongum means today.
Noongum, today.
Yeah. You could also say I'm happy to be here today, would be G-A-I-N. Lots of times that's what we sing around here. Or we say, Neiman Wyndham G-A-I-N. Oma Noongum, I'm happy to be here today. But you can just say I'm happy here today. Hey, so Stallone, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
I can't clap my hands. I'm wearing these boxing gloves.
Oh, okay. He's wearing his boxing gloves, sweetie. You still wearing your boxing gloves, Sly?
Oh, yeah, you never know, and I might need to go toe-to-toe with Apollo Creed in the ring.
Yeah, just in case old Apollo Creed wants to go toe-to-toe. But anyway, there's a phrase of the day. Neiman Wyndham Oma Noongum.
Oh, yeah, that's really good. Hey, listen, NANABOOZHOO.
Yeah?
I'll tell you something you already know.
Oh, here we go, sweetie. Every time.
Life ain't all sunshine and roses.
Yes, so I hear.
And I don't care how tough you are. Me, you, ain't nobody gonna hit harder than life.
We know we do this every time you call.
What are you talking about?
You know, you give me the same sort of inspirational speech about how it's not whether or not you can, how tough you are, it's whether or not you can take the hits and keep moving forward.
Well, that's right. You gotta be able to take the hits and keep moving forward.
Yeah, because that's
how winning's done.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you. Yeah, I'm sure that's true.
You know, so yeah, I gotta tell you this from time to time, because I'm the Italian stallion, and you know, I gotta be an inspiration to you, Rocky. I just called you Rocky. That's my name.
Yeah.
NANABOOZHOO.
Yeah, you sure are. Every time I see that movie, I just want to drink some eggs and go for a run.
Oh, that's a good way to start your day. You know, I always started my day with some raw eggs and I'd go for a run. You know what I didn't have for breakfast?
What didn't you have for breakfast?
I never ate Wheaties.
Really? How come?
Yeah, they call that the breakfast of champions. Well, you look at what happened to Bruce Jenner, and you tell me, is that the breakfast of champions, or is that the breakfast of something else?
Yeah, let's not get into it.
All right. Hey, how you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye, Sly. We say, I will see you again. Gi gawabamin minawa.
Gigawabamin, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo.
Gigawabamin minawa, Sly.
Hey, yeah, you too, Natasha.
See ya.
Yeah, no forget about
it. Sylvester Stallone. Wow, big old movie star. Big old movie star. Yeah, he's not the only one who's called in. Who else have we had here? Keanu Reeves. He calls in. Keanu Reeves? Is that his name? Reeves? Keanu Reeves? Reeves? I don't know. Is it plural? I can't remember. But Keanu calls in. He always drags his girlfriend on. I know, I hate that. She always poops her pants. Yeah, she poops her pants. I don't know. Who else is called in? Well, Kermit and Cookie Monster. Yeah, they're TV stars. Yeah. Okay. Wally Bear. I met some hippies too once after that big gathering they had near the Ojibwe Forest near Wisconsin. Quite a few years ago. Never seen so many go through Cass Lake. Was that the the rainbow gathering? Yeah, I think so. Well, John Redcorn says, Wally Bear's debt card doesn't work. John Redcorn's throwing shade on Wally Bear. That's hilarious. Samantha says, Wally Bear, that's those rainbow people. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Who are obsessed with the Hopi. They gather with them in Washington to make sure they stay away from important Yakama land. Yeah, the rainbow people. Ugh. I just want to vomit when I see the rainbow people. Hey, Surrealist just gave us $100. What? Oh, Surrealist. Miigwech, thank you so much for your super generous super chat. We really appreciate it. $100, sweetie. There's the light bill. There's the light bill. We just paid next month's light bill. Miigwech, Surrealist, we really appreciate you. Thank you so much. She says, Miigwech kakina awaya. Nada mage. She or he helps people. What I'll say. But yeah, so the rainbow people. I used to have a friend. Remember old Ronnie May? Yeah. Ronnie May had dreadlocks. Little white girl with dreadlocks. And she was a bit of a hippie, I suppose. And she would go to these rainbow gatherings. And she came back, she was telling me, oh, I went to the greatest thing. It was a rainbow gathering. You should go. People always think I'm going to like rainbow hippie gatherings. I'm like, no, thank you. Oh, you would love this, Nanaboozhoo. It's right up your alley. It's a whole gathering of hippies. Remember like Woodstock? I'm like, no, I don't remember Woodstock. I'm too young, of course. But Woodstock looked miserable to me. You don't wish you could have lived during the time of Woodstock? Ugh. If I was that generation, I would have been as far away from Woodstock as I could get. I don't need to see Sha Na Na that bad. Or whoever else played there. But she'd come back and she was like, yeah, I went to the Rainbow Gathering. And there was a guy there who was just a naked guy. And he had a sign or something that said, free hugs. And he'd just walk around hugging up hippie girls naked. And everybody was just like, yeah, hey, well, he's free. He's a hippie. Nothing to worry about here. And I'm like, dude, if I saw you, if you're a man in my presence, not even in my presence, if you're a man in the presence of a lady that I'm with, and you're not wearing pants, we got a problem, mister. You take your protest marches and all that, and you put some pants on, mister. People assume I'm a hippie because I have long hair. Yeah. No, put your pants on and get a job. No, I'm just kidding. Most of my friends have been hippies. Again, I get along with pot smokers. So there's a lot of hippies in that crowd. Hey, sweetie, can you got another call on line 2. Oh, really? Let's see who's on line 2 this time. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. The very serious podcast. Oh yeah, what did we call today's show? Sacred ANISHINAABE and stuff and whatever. Yeah, something really irreverent. The podcast about sacred ANISHINAABE teachings. You're on the air. How dare you! Greta, you come to us looking for hope. How dare you! You have stolen my dreams. You have stolen my childhood with your empty words. My empty words? I came here looking for Ojibwe language, and all you can do is mock the hippies. The hippies are the only ones who care about the environment. You come to us. I didn't come to you. You called my show. How dare you! What is the Ojibwe word of the day? She's in a bit of a mood. Hi, Greta. Who is that? It's me, Natasha. How dare you, Natasha? You want to know the Ojibwe word of the day? Here you go. Dabadane dizzy wind, humility. Dabadane dizzy wind, humility. You come to us speaking of hope, but you have no humility. You must be humbled. You must look to the children. Yeah, okay. Listen, Greta, I gotta go. No! What's another word? Oh, my Ingun? That means wolf. The wolf. My Ingun. Yeah, the wolf represents humility in our way. And, I mean, not for nothing, Greta. I'm gonna pull the elder card. You shouldn't go around wagging your finger at your elders. How dare you! Yeah, exactly. You're just a dumb little kid. I don't know why, like, the world stage gave you a platform and all that. But just between you and me and Natasha here and the internet, nobody takes you seriously. We don't care. You're just a little kid. Go back to school. Did you get her GED yet? I don't know. Did you get that GED? I do not need a GED. I have a finger that can wag, and I will make a career wagging this finger in your face. How dare you? Yeah, okay. Listen, I better get going. Here's a phrase for you, Greta. I will see you again. Gi kawabamin minawa. Gi kawabamin minawa nanaboozhoo. Yeah, you too, Greta. I just don't think the kids need to be talking down to the elders. Yeah, I always thought that too. But like, it doesn't make me mad, doesn't it? No, because I don't take her that seriously. Dabadane dizzy win. Humility. You know, I don't like to give advice, but I'll do it to kids once in a while. But humility, part of that is that, you know, you got to have a little, you know, who am I to be telling people, I don't know, I don't have the answers. I'm not going to get out there and start marching saying, hey, you better stop doing so-and-so because such and such. Oh, really? How do you know? You know, Aren't you worried about global warming? No, I'm still worried about global cooling. I'm from the 80s. When I was a kid, they said there was going to be a new ice age. They're like, would you cut it out? You're destroying the ozone layer. Or how about acid rain? When I was a kid, they told us there was rain that was like acid. It would just burn up the earth if we didn't quit using hairspray. And then somewhere along the line, when I wasn't paying attention, they were like, no, it's global warming. You're going to kill the polar bears. I'm like, good. I say death to polar bears and penguins. Any kind of animal that lives in where they need ice, to heck with them, I say. No, I'm just kidding. Ma'ingan. It's the wolf, sweetie. That's right. All these words and more can be found in a little book called Ojibwe Words and Phrases by Michael Lyons. How can you claim authorship of what is essentially just a list of Ojibwe translations? I mean, it's hardly a story. Oh, there's also coloring book pages in there. Oh yeah, we also padded it out with Michael padded it out with a whole bunch of coloring book pages. We should why didn't we take some screenshots of the insides? Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, tune in tomorrow. We'll look at this book together. But don't buy it yet, because we haven't seen the actual one. We just ordered a bunch, but they haven't come in the mail yet. When they come in the mail, do you want me to talk about it on the show? Yeah, if you would. Yeah, I sure will. Gijagate! Rhymes and Poems Generation. We are the Rhymes and Poems Generation. Says Friendship Time. A lot of Volkswagen vans and smelly people smelling like patchouli oil, dirt, and weed. These hippies, they smell like patchouli oil, dirt, and weed. Bunch of greasy hippies. I like hip hippies and their hip music and rainbows. Don't have anything to do with sex, but they're celestial hippies, like Native Americans. Yeah, I guess part of my problem with hippies is I feel just a little co-opted. Did they co-opt the Anishinaabe culture? Well, the old hippies did. I don't know if they're still doing it. When I was a kid, the hippies all had like braids, and they'd wear like fringe vests. And I don't know. You could tell it was a bunch of wannabes. But I'll take a hippie any day over a Karen. A Karen? What's a Karen? A Karen is like the modern protester, but somebody who just wants to speak to the manager all the time. Oh, yeah. Yeah. The modern protester is just a white middle-class lady who's upset about something. You know, they noticed I wasn't wearing my mask, and they're like, I want to see the manager. Did you see this dirty Indian wasn't wearing his mask? I'm like, hey, that's racist. Das. Oh, there's a new t-shirt idea. What's that? What happened to your voice? I mean, what's that? Oof. The newest t-shirt will just be DAS and then RACIST exclamation point, exclamation point. Das racist. Anywhere you go, anytime you want to be a Karen and claim racism just because, you know, they won't sell you beer even though you don't have an ID. You just open up your shirt and go, oh, really? Well, that's racist. That's racist. Yep. I can do anything I want. I just show my little card and all it says is DAS, racist. That's racist. You want to be called a racist? I'll get on Twitter so fast.
I'll ruin your career. I'm a Karen.
Yeah.
Okay. La-di-da-di. Okay. Samantha says, there's a lot of bad people in that rainbow family. Assault isn't uncommon at a gathering. I take my dog for a reason. Samantha shows up at one of these hippie gatherings with a pit bull. It's like, all right, everybody, I'm into free love, but you get my consent or my dog with the spiked collar named Adolf is here just in case. I wonder how many guys have gotten German Shepherds and named them Adolf.
I don't know. That's racist.
Is that's racist? we should start a new segment of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO called Das Racist and get Hitler to be the host.
Yeah.
We'll have Hitler as a host and he can call out modern things and decide whether or not it was racist. Like, what's an example of something racist?
You know, Sesame Street's in trouble for being racist.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Did you see that? One of the Sesame Street characters was like, you know, stiff-arming children, black kids during a parade. He's like, get out of here, Negro. And then would like hug up on the white kids. And you're like, oh, take it easy, Tickle Me Elmo, you racist. Das racist. Don't be mean to the black kids. But I don't know. I don't even know how they can see through those costumes they wear.
Yeah, no kidding.
And I wondered, was it a black guy wearing the big Elmo outfit or whoever it was?
I don't think it was Elmo, but it was one of those guys.
Yeah. Das racist. Let's see, what else is racist?
I can't think of any examples of racism.
Yeah, me either. Thanks, Obama. You fixed all racism. I can't even think of a single act of racism at the top of my head. But apparently we're living in a terribly racist country. Hello, racists. What else we got here? Let's go, Ambe. Let's go, LETS go. Let's go.
Isn't there a song with that? Let's go.
Oh yeah, it was a Cars song. No, 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 no.
Let's go. No, 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 no.
Becca, wait. Becca. Wait. I asked for so little. Just love me, fear me, do as I say, and I will be your slave.
Are you quoting Labyrinth?
Yep. Remember that scene?
I love that scene. Why don't we show it?
I don't know if... I feel like I get copyright strikes. But that scene we're talking about, remember the movie Labyrinth? David Bowie and little what's-her-face? In the ending scene, Jareth, the Goblin King, Jennifer Connelly finally makes it to the center of the labyrinth. I have fought my way through the Goblin City or whatever. And she's just quoting something. And he goes, wait. You know, look what I'm offering you. Your dreams.
Did he say it that Resi?
Yeah, David Bowie had a thick Red Lake accent in that movie. Wait, look what I'm offering you. Your dreams. Big guy, wait. Just wait a second. I need time to think. And then you go, wait, weeb, hurry up. These are common grandma words. A lot of Ojibwe grandmothers will use words like "gambe," "oisini win." Come on, let's eat. Let's go. Wait, hurry up. It's time to go.
Or pika. Go wee and giggle. That's another one I should have used. Wait, don't. Umbe. There's even a section in Michael's book, Ojibwe words and phrases, that are just Ojibwe commands. You know, when you have to command something, wait, pika, pika, wait. I'm offering you your dreams. And then what does she say when he finally gives up? You have no power over me. You have no power over me. Yeah, and he just grabs that crystal ball. He looks so sad, and he goes, and he throws it up in the air, and then everything comes crashing down. Such a pity. I love that movie. We have never done have we? Well, we did once. Okay, one of these days we're going to review the movie Labyrinth with video clips and stuff and make it entertaining. Yeah, and then we can also give our comedic ideas about it. Yeah, because I love that movie. But I also have some concerns. I don't love the relationship between David Bowie or between Jareth the Goblin King and sweet little Sarah. Yeah. But yeah, save it for the show. Okay. Maybe tomorrow. We'll have to. And we can call up that old ghost of David Bowie. Make him answer for some of my concerns. Yeah, that's a good idea. Stay tuned. Anyway. You know what song I like, sweetie? Lick It Up. Yep. But actually, you know what, sweetie? Maybe you should come up here. Do you want to play Lick It Up or Wake and Bake? How long is Lick It Up? I don't really know. Oh, it's 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Is that enough time for us to do a crossover? Yeah. All right. Let's save Wake and Bake for tomorrow. Okay. This is a song by a band called Kiss, huh, Paul? That's right, Nanaboozhoo. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley of Kiss. Hey, everybody! How you doing? I can't hear you! They're on the internet, Paul. I can't hear you! You can't hear so well. But here's a song he wrote when he could hear, called Lick It Up. And up next, lovely and talented Natasha. Now get out of here. Okay, now we're talking. Lick It Up.
Till you know me better.
Lick it up, lick it up.
Let's just be glad for our time together.
Lick it up, lick it up.
Life's something sweet you can't buy with money.
Lick it up, lick it up.
It's all you need, believe me, honey. It ain't a crime to be good to yourself.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa.
It's only right now.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa. Lick it up, lick it up.
You gotta live like I'm on vacation.
Lick it up, lick it up.
There's something sweet that you can't buy with money.
Lick it up,
Money, money.
lick it up.
It's all you need, believe me, honey. It ain't a crime to be good to yourself.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa.
It's only right now.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh.
It's only right now.
It's only right now.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Woo. Lick it up.
Lick it up. Oh, it's only right now. Lick it up. Lick it up. Oh, come on, come on. Lick it up. Lick it up. Oh,
Come on, come on.
lick it up. Lick it up. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Lick it up.
All right.
All right.
All right. Lick it up. Lick it up.
Hey everybody, BOOZHOO. Minoki Gaje. Good. Is it still morning?
Yep. It's 11:34.
Minoki Gaje. Good morning. Natasha Nindishanakaz. Natasha is my name. For anybody new to the show, like friendship. Friendship. You're my Nishikwe. Nishikwe. You're my sister from another mister. Niji is like your friend if he's a dude. But your Nishikwe would be your friend if it's a lady. If it's an ikwe. Ikwe. Lady. Woman, I guess.
Yep.
But anyway, what are we doing, sweetie?
Did you want to go out and say a prayer for our lost souls?
For our lost souls? Maybe your soul is lost, but not mine. Mine's right here inside my body. Yeah, you could teleport me outside. I'll put out a little sema. I'll put out a little tobacco.
All right. 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. Don't wanna wait till you know me better. Let's put out some tobacco. Oh, just pretty out here. I like praying when I'm outside in nature. I don't think you have to, but I don't know. Feels weird putting out tobacco indoors. I offered tobacco into the garbage can. Alright. BOOZHOO, GOFUNDME. Hello, Great Spirit. Taka. Otapana niwi asema. Please accept my tobacco. Thank you for everything that you do today, GOFUNDME. Ikwech ka ishi kakina keku. Ka ishi chikea nungom. GOFUNDME. Great Spirit. Please help me to speak well today. Taka we took a wish and nando minaway nungum. Dash and thank you for listening. Mikwech ga bizanda egg. Amen. Apenge. Hoo hoo hoo. I feel my temperature rising. Yeah. I don't even like that one. Of all the Elvis songs, I don't like Hunka Hunka Burnin' Love, but it's stuck in my brain for some reason. I always find myself accidentally singing. Ooh, 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 I feel my temperature rising. 'Cause I do like a sweet voice in the choir. And your life is more than hot fire. You're burning love. It's just a hunk of burning love. I mean, what does that mean? A hunk of burning love? What? Oh, if Elvis were here with us today, we could ask him what he meant by that. But alas, he faked his death, and nobody knows where he is now. I mean, people probably know, but I don't. Oh, you believe Elvis is dead? Oh, you're so naive. How can you be so naive? Elvis is alive. He's as alive as Bigfoot is real. So, I can't believe you think that Elvis died? Do you believe everything they tell you on TV? You probably believe they landed on the moon. How can you be? No, just kidding. I don't know. He's probably dead. I don't know. I can't trust anything I think I know anymore. You watch the news and go, I wonder if that's real or not. You know, did that really happen? You know, is Michael Jackson really dead? David Bowie dead? No. There's always these weird questions that linger afterwards. People are like, oh yeah. What's the latest one? Anne Heche or whatever her name is? Some actress I don't know anything she's ever done. I've never seen a movie she was in or anything. I just know she used to date Ellen DeGeneres. And you're like, ugh. I wouldn't admit to that. But Ellen DeGeneres' ex-girlfriend died. Or did she? You know, everyone's like, oh, here's some video of old Anne Heche, the famous movie star. I'm like, who? It sounds like an old lady. I thought, oh, Anne Heche, was she one of those old ladies? Did she play, you know, some old lady movie? No, she's a young woman. Yeah, she's 50 or something. But then they show a video from up above, and you go, oh, there she is. She's getting up out of the stretcher. She's fine. Hey, wait, I thought she died. Oh, yeah, she's definitely dead. Oh, really? What'd she die of? Well, never mind. She's as dead as Bob Saget. And, who's the other guy? Goodfellas dude. Just dropped dead, no explanation. Yeah, he slipped in the shower. Darndest thing. All my life I wanted to be a good fella. Harvey... No, it's not Harvey Keitel. What was that guy's name? Oh, I'll think of it. He had a weird name. Michael Jackson must... transgender. He's always saying he and Shamoa. What does that mean? Good question. I should go back and call him up. What does he mean by that? You know, was it even the real Michael Jackson who died that day? There was some speculation that Michael Jackson actually died during the Pepsi commercial or got burned beyond recognition. They brought in another dude to play him. And that's why, like, he had nothing to do with his brothers, the Jackson 5. After that one tour, he was like, oh, the reunion tour with his brothers, the Jackson 5. But for the rest of his life, it's like, yeah, Michael Jackson lives in Neverland. And, you know, the Jackson 5 never goes over there. It's like, why not? Well, because it's not really Michael Jackson. That's the white guy we hired to play Michael Jackson. Look, it's a different guy. But I don't know. Yeah, maybe I should go back and we could call Michael up. What do you think, Benesha Yug? What do you think, birds? No, I'm not a conspiracy theorist. Well, yeah, I'm totally a conspiracy theorist. I have a theory that there's a lot of nonsense being, lies being thrown around. There always is. So I like to just ponder, question. I don't know. Yeah, I know that's what you mean by when anyone calls you a conspiracy theorist. That's just a sugar-coated way of calling you paranoid and crazy and stupid. Because truthers never call each other conspiracy theorists. They go like, yeah, they faked the moon landing. Yeah, obviously. But anybody else who doesn't agree with your theory? Oh, you're a conspiracy theorist. You're a paranoid, crazy, dumb person. Like what? Yeah, well, at least I can speak English and a little Ojibwe. What do you speak? You speak bird gibberish. You better not poop on me. I'm getting out of here. Boop, boop, boop.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
Sweetie, the birds are threatening to poop on me.
Oh, I better get you out of there. Okay, hang on. That's one to teleport.
Make it so, number one. Don't want to get bird poop on me. No. Whew. That was a close one. Hey, sweetie, I was thinking about calling Michael Jackson up.
Oh yeah, let me look for his number.
I forget why, but I have some questions about whether or not he's really dead.
Okay.
And whether or not he was transgendered.
Okay, let me look for his phone number.
Do you think he's really dead?
I have no way of knowing. Because the news said he was, I'm implied.
What does that mean?
I'm inclined to think it was just the opposite.
You mean you just assume whatever they say is a lie?
Yeah, and therefore the opposite is true.
Yeah, probably, huh?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Michael Jackson. Okay, and is that... No, that's a long distance call, right?
Yeah, you got to call heaven.
Yeah, okay. So, could have swore we had his phone number.
I'm pretty sure we have his phone number somewhere down near the bottom of the list.
Yeah, this list is getting longer every day. Oh, here he is.
Okay.
All right, it's ringing. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, is this Michael Jackson? Okay, is this the king of pop? Hey, how you doing? This is NANABOOZHOO. You want to be on the show this morning? Okay, Natasha wants to talk to you. All right, hold on. I'm going to transfer you. Yeah, just hold on. Okay. Line 2, sweetie.
Okay. Line 2. There we go. Hey, Michael, welcome back to the show. Hee Shamoa. That's Shamoa. Say, I wanted to ask you a question. Sure, Natasha. What do you want to know? Number one, we were talking about you, and there's some people who wonder if you, are really dead. That's ignorant. No, of course not. You're not really dead? No, I faked my death. See, I wondered about that. Why did you fake your death? Well, I just wanted to live a normal life. One morning I woke up and I looked in the mirror and I said, hey, I'm starting with the man in the mirror and I'm going to make some changes. And so I decided to fake my death. Well, there you go.
Oh, wow, I'm blown away. Michael, how you doing?
Hey, NANABOOZHOO.
You're admitting that you faked your death?
That's right. Hee Shamoa. Wow, we got the scoop.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, well, it's kind of a relief. So you're going to tell the rest of the world? No, silly. I want to live a normal life.
I went out and I got a job, and now I'm just working as a regular guy and trying to raise my children.
Are you children?
Yes, of course. There's Blanket, and that other one, and the girl.
Yeah, there's that girl and the other one and Blanket.
Yes, of course.
Well, that's great.
Hey, Natasha,
Yeah?
what was your Ojibwe word of the day?
Well, there's humility. Dubba-dane, does he win?
Hee-hee, shamo! Dubba-dane, does he win? I'm starting with Dubba-dane, does he win? I'm going to be the... Hey, that's Maingan the wolf.
Yeah, very good. Maingan, wolf.
You know, one time I turned into a black cat. How do you say black cat in Ojibwe?
Black cat? Sweetie, how would you say black cat?
I guess you'd say Muckade Gaja Gaints.
Muckade Gaja Gates.
Muckade Gaza Games. Yeah, remember that time I was in that video and I turned into a black cat?
Yeah, that was cool.
Okay.
Well, I better let you go, Michael.
No, that's ignorant.
No, it's not ignorant. I just got other stuff I gotta do.
Okay, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
We don't say goodbye. We say Gigawabamin Minowa.
Well, Gikawaba min Minowa Natasha. Hee-hee, shamoa!
Yeah, you too, Michael.
We'll see you, Mike.
No, that's ignorant.
Yeah, I know.
Michael Jackson.
Yeah, what do you know?
So I guess he faked his death all along.
Yeah, I didn't know he'd just come right out and say it like that.
I know, I'm shocked. And surprisingly, don't really care either way.
Yeah, I'm a little relieved and a little indifferent.
Yep, that's pretty much where I'm at. You know, I mean, it's not like David Bowie.
No, Bowie is the best.
Bowie was the best.
Hey, you guys, Kiss is the best.
Oh, yeah, after Kiss, of course. He's so insecure.
I know.
Here's a song I'd like to dedicate to Paul Stanley.
Paul, you gonna play another Kiss tune?
Nope, I'm going to play Heroes.
Joke's on you. You never pulled up Heroes.
Didn't I? Doggone it. Oh, didn't I?
I would be king, and you will be my queen, 'cause we're lovers, that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, that is that. Though nothing would keep us together, we could beat them just for one day. We could be heroes forever and ever. What you say? And you can be mean. Nothing will help us. Maybe we're lying. Then you better not stay. I think you should go. It's better that way. I don't know, man. I think it needs some work.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO Niemann Wyndham Omanungum. Yeah. Get up and get your grammar out of here. You've never been working hard this year. And baby, do the thing you're supposed to do. Do it! Baby, if you're feeling good. Do. Baby, if you're feeling nice. Do. You know your man is working hard. He's worth a deuce. Yeah, deuce is the best. Get up. So, I don't know, sweetie. We're going to save Wake and Bake for tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe if we go actually come on early tomorrow, we can play the new song.
Okay. Anything else I should cover? Michael?
Nope, that's good. Let's call it a show.
All right. Hey, mama, say the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. Yeah, okay. Hey, everyone. Miigwech. Thank you. Miigwech ga bisanda we egg. Thank you for listening. Dush, and thank you for watching. Miigwech gonna wabi egg. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This over here is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech, everyone.
This over here is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gi gawapamin. Minoa. Noa. Baby doll.
Want to teleport?
Would you please?
Do you want to go into the kitchen and make me a sandwich?
How dare you! I'm like Greta Thunberg. Yeah, I'll do that.
All right. Want to teleport?
Make it so, number one.